Challenger. Oh my goodness, what is going on down here, guys? Uh-oh. Bottom end noise. Oh! Oh! What the hell? Oh! What in the world was they doing? Yeah, you can tell the bottom end knock. Oh! What in the world? That's the one I remember he was driving in. Look at that. Oh! That is shot, guys. It's short block time. Long block time in this case, because we don't, and it's a stick. Ain't it? Yeah, I don't see no train. Yeah, this is a stick. Somebody been punching. Thing about that, guys, you buy a vehicle for this reason, to punch and race and abuse, and if it come apart, your warranty company be trying to decline you, worrying about what you was doing. Don't matter what I was doing, I bought it to do that. So some cases I jump on the yeah, this is 392. I jump on the customer side, man. You buy the car for this. All right, it's the only sole reason you buy the car. You looked up, you did your homework and your research, and you found out if you want to do burnouts, drag strip, racing, and all that, get this car. It's built for that. You get it, and you go out and do exactly what you was gonna do. And you know, if something like this happened, you get some bottom end damage, your insurance company try to decline, talking about, well, you was burning out in it, you was speed racing in it. Man, that's what I bought it for. The hell out of here. So yeah, I'm with the customers on some things. Oh my goodness. Yeah, man, this is I'm not gonna say abuse or induced. I'm not gonna say any of that. Just one of those things, guys. Okay, it's not a ticker. So this engine here probably not equipped with MDS. You're not worried about MDS when you're in a racing engine. Okay, yes, the Hemi has some power and torque, but in some cases they still trying to maintain a level of emissions. So, but in something like this where you bought it for racing and everything, it's not equipped with MDS. So you likely will not get that dreaded ticking rocker crap we've been going through that's been plaguing Dodge for the longest. All right, but if you do certain things, you could end up I mean, could he have hit something and lost all his oil? What's down here? Ooh, ain't nothing. I need gloves, guys. Don't criticize me. I know I should have gloves on. There's nothing down there but shavings. I feel this load of shavings. Look at that. Wow. In fact, I'm going to get some gloves. Wow, guys, this is crazy. Let me see what kind of trash. I got gloves on now. See what kind of trash I can dig up. Look at that. Wow. All right, guys. Yeah, it's a little extreme now. Again, I'm siding with the customer. All right, they bought it for that reason. Damn it, they should be able to perform those tasks. Hey, old Hemi here. This is the old style Hemi. Gen 2. I don't know what Dart Hemi. Dart Hemi can tell what gens these are. I'm not that good. Yeah, you talking about the engine man. This is the engine man over here. Everybody in here do this stuff, but some love it more than others. Like, I don't love it. I only do it when I got the ticket. They be up there asking for it. You got any ticking, Hemis? You got any ticking? Oh my goodness. You can have the next one. Okay, give it to them. The Pinner Stars, I'll knock those out all day, but I'm not a big fan because these can come in all different shapes and sizes of vehicles. Okay, these getting the big trucks, 1500s, 2500s. They can come in. The Jeeps, no, just give me the baby Pentastars. Now I know the Pentastar can end up in 1500s as well as ProMasters, but they not as difficult. None of them difficult. I don't know. To each his own. But I've done a few to know what's going on, what to do, and what I'm doing. Let me put it like that. All right, it's too much work going on over here. Whew, what a mess. All right. Oh, is this not safe or what? What is it? Wait a minute. What is going on here? Okay, he got it wrapped up, guys. Don't panic. Yes, in order to do this transmission, yeah, because is that where the starter go? Yeah. Ooh, we have to remove the rack. Man, guys, it's getting crazy. I remember the starter boat I showed y'all on that journey. In order to get that started out, you have to remove the PTU. So it looked like he replaced the transmission. Yeah, that is a new ZF 8-speed rear-wheel drive transmission, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Looks like I don't know if that's a new engine or not, but yeah, they got the trans in. Pretty neat. I'm glad they're holding this up. Gosh, that looks so unprofessional, but you got it up. All right. Let's go back over here. I think my man over here. What is my man doing right here? It's Challenger. Oh yeah, this is my neighbor. I remember when he brought this in. I heard a little noise. I was like, he got another ticker, and he had to perform teardown. Remember, guys, I'd say teardown. You can go as far as you need to go to make yourself feel comfortable writing up the estimate. All right. I don't know if he chose this side or he tested and found out it was this side, or he did a scan and found out the misfire was on this bank. I don't know, but at any rate, here's a right here, right off the bat. Yeah, this one is. Yeah, I can almost guarantee you it has chewed. Yeah, when you see that, it's chewed into the camshaft. All right, so guys, what the thinking goes, guys. Let me say this. That I mean, I don't want to start a beef or a war, or you don't know what the hell you're talking about. I'm just going by what's going on here. All right, I can only speak for what's going on here. So the thinking goes, these was poorly built. All right. The needle bearings. This is a roller bearing right here. So the needle bearings inside of that. I wish I had one disassembled I can show you. They was just made of poor quality, and now they just fail, guys. I mean, a lot of people blame it on it's a fatal flaw. It's not oil. There's not enough oil getting down here, and it's killing these lifters. That could be true, but I want you to think about it this way. Think about it this way.